So as far as the storm goes, Trona and Ridgecrest were affected, but different areas were affected worse or better than others. Some people had some pretty serious flooding depending on their location. Some people even said like half to their thigh, like some pretty serious flooding in their home and stuff. Other people didn't get that much flooding at all. Like my place, we didn't really have any issues with flooding, but all of Trona currently has the power out, and we have SoCal Edison. There's a truck finally getting into town the morning. So we haven't had power. It's probably going to be, I don't know, 12 hours, half a day or something like that. Not too bad. But Ridgecrest has declared some sort of state of emergency because Ridgecrest got it a lot worse. They had some pretty serious flooding in Balsam and things like that. Anyways, stay safe, people.